You should have downloaded this, but just in case you missed that, you can click Start Recording, and then right here it gives you an option to download the full app install, so then you can download the app there. I've already done that, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up Screencast-O-Matic, and then it asks if I want to use a pro recorder. I don't. I just want the free recorder. Then you'll see it creates a window. Now if I was recording what was on the screen, I would have to adjust this to exactly what I wanted others to see. But I'm not going to record the screen. I'm not even going to record both. I'm going to record from the webcam. So as I do that, I'll select that, and then I just hit record. Now this is good, so I'm not actually seeing my webcam. It's not connecting, so I'm going to come under here and select the webcam, and maybe that will fix it. Okay, so you might need to do the same for you, but it looks like this is working now. So one thing that you can't see, let me see if I can, is there's a little red record button in the bottom left, so I'm just going to hit record. Then it'll count down. And then I would just talk normally, and then introduce yourself, tell us 3 things about you, 2 will be true, 1 will be a lie. And then when you're done, you just hit the pause button. And then you can play it back if you want to. I wouldn't get hung up on making lots of recordings, just be natural. And then just click done when you're done. And now it gives me some options, so I can upload directly to YouTube. I actually don't want to do that. Because that can be a little buggy, so I'm just going to save the video file. I'm going to hit publish, and then it'll render the video for me. And then the nice thing about this is once it's done, it'll give me an option to open up where I saved it. So what I didn't go over is you can actually decide where it gets saved on your computer. But right here I can say browse folder. And then there it is right there, just as recording 21, because I didn't really give it another name. But I can go ahead and rename that to 2 truths and a lie. Okay, so I have that right there. So now what I want to do is, that's on my desktop. What I want to do is upload that to YouTube. So I'm going to go to YouTube. So you'll notice here I'm already logged in. But let's see what it looks like when I sign out. Okay, if I sign out, then I would just hit either upload or sign in. I think both will kind of ask me to sign in. So I'm just going to hit upload. And it'll say, okay, you need to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And now it says you can upload your file, so I can make it public, unlisted, or private. If it's private, no one can watch it, so don't do that. Public, anybody can watch it. I don't really necessarily want that. So unlisted is that happy medium where you have to have the link in order to view it. So I'm going to go unlisted. Then I'm going to find that file. It's in my desktop, and I named it 2 truths and a lie, so that's easy to find. And then it's uploading here. I'll just hit done, and then it gives me this link. Okay, so I'm going to go to that link. It's still rendering. That's fine. It should be processed really quickly, actually. In fact, I bet if I refresh this, no, okay. So that's fine. I don't need it to be done quite yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit share underneath, and not the link. I'm going to hit embed. So then I'm going to copy that embed code. And now let's go back to our discussion board. So here is the directions like I showed you before. And so now, in order to enter into the form, I just click this link right here. And I see that someone has already created a thread, so that's great. I want to create my own thread, so I'm going to do it here. And then I'm going to give it a name. Because I'm not going to keep this, I'm just going to call it this as a test. And then right here, I can type text, if I want to, all that stuff, and I have different options to center, left justify, right justify. I can add images, all sorts of stuff. All I want to do, because I have that embed code, I'm going to come over here to HTML. Now you'll notice that I had the little bit of text there, and then it has all this code, this text that I didn't type in. That's HTML code. Typically that's hidden, but when you hit that button you can see it all. And all I want to do is paste in that code that I got from YouTube, that embed code, and then when I hit update, you'll see that there's this nice little yellow cream box. You know, that's a plugin. The magic happens when I hit submit. Now if I go to this is a test, you'll see that now that video is there, and then people can click on it and view it. Now I'm going to go back to my forum. Now let's say I want to reply. We'll all need to reply to each other. To do that, it's really easy. I just hit reply. And your replies don't need to be video, so you can just kind of type in what you want and then hit submit when you're done. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions about that, don't hesitate to ask, or if you're having problems creating the video or uploading it to YouTube or embedding it, anything like that, just let me know. Okay, thank you.